Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna be slicking down my hair and doing 2 braids instead of braids all the way back. So let's get on with this tutorial. So all I'm doing, I'm just parting my hair in half, and I'm just combing out my hair, making sure it's straight. And then I'll be using my product Shine and Jam, and I paid $7.99 from my beauty supply store. And it's a clear gel. A lot of girls use this for like braiding, but I like the way it slicks down my hair. So now what I'm gonna be using is a spray called Kenra, and it's a leave-in conditioner. Bro, tell me why I'm closing my eyes like if I'm spraying it in front of my face. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just keep on spraying my hair with the leave-in conditioner, making sure that my hair is moist and not dry. Okay, so now what I'm gonna be getting is a brush that I use to sleek down my hair. And so right here, I'm just making sure that all my hairs are combed back. And I'm using more Shine and Jam. And like, you know your sideburns, I made sure to pull that all the way back so that no glue will get stuck to my edges. Okay, so right here I'm getting my Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and I paid $8.99 for that spray, and I'm just making sure that like I have no flyaways, and I'm making sure that everything is sleeked down. And for my other side, I'll just be doing the same. Okay, so now I'm going to start braiding. Just one simple braid going back and on the other side as well. So Melanie was in the background asking for a choopy, so there goes her blue choopy. So now I just got a simple rubber band and I'm tying up my braid, and now to the next one. So guys, tell me why I tried to braid my hair into 6 braids, but oh my gosh, my arms were getting so tired. So right here I was like pretty much over braiding my hair, so it was just like a whatever braid, but it was still like slick. Okay, so right here I'm just getting some bobby pins. Black, brown, doesn't matter. I use black so I know where I put them. And then I got those from the 99, so it really doesn't matter where you get your bobby pins. Okay, so right here I had pinned back both of my braids, and then towards the end of my braid I'm gonna just pin it onto the top. Okay, so now I'm just putting on my wig cap, and I got like a beige color to match my skin color instead of putting like foundation on. Okay, so now I'm putting on freeze spray to make sure that the wig cap stays. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring out my fancy fan that says Slay. Guys, when I tell you I was so excited, trust. I was so excited to put it on. I've been waiting so long, and I've just been procrastinating on putting it on. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting on my scarf that I got for $1, and it's super, super pretty. Girl, for $1. Okay, so I was gonna use a blow dryer, but my blow dryer decided not to work. So I'm gonna just be using my scarf just to wrap around my head and wait for it to dry. Okay, so now I'm just going to be cutting my wig cap. And girl, take your time with this and make sure that it's jagged and not just straight across, because it won't look real when you put on the lace. Okay, so right here I'm just getting some cotton pads and some alcohol, and I'll be using that to clean my forehead, making sure that there's no oil or got to be freeze spray. Okay, so this is the Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Lace Wig Glue. And this is water resistant. So I was like, ooh, this thing is going to hold on real tight. Okay, so I had some lifting by my ear, but I just put glue over it and it worked just fine. There was no more lifting or anything. So now I'm just gonna start spreading out the glue so that my lace sticks on real good and so that my cap doesn't lift up. Okay, and so right here I'm putting on a second layer of the wig glue so that my lace front is secure. Okay, so now that my glue is almost done drying, and when you know that it's ready, it'll be all clear. So now I'm just taking out the T-pins from the wig so I can now apply it. Okay, so this wig has 3 combs and a strap. Okay, so obviously that I had put the glue first, the wig is gonna get stuck to it. So maybe the next time I'll just do half of the lace first and then the rest of the half so that I don't have to be tugging on it.
Okay, so these are my results. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.
Hi! Say hi!